Namaskaram. My name is Sajid George, behavior therapist, Pinnacle Blooms Network in Nellore branch. Today I am going to discuss about the puzzle. So, first of all, what is puzzle? How it helps to kids? So, puzzle is mainly focusing on brain development, learning objective, eye and hand coordination, and also pattern understanding, logical reasoning, and also it helps to problem solving also. These are the things mainly focusing. So this activity is giving kids why he has to build this, like this type of puzzle should be like this. So he have to make it proper way. So it will take time. So it will take time. So automatically while the activities he is doing or she is doing, they will get like what I said the first time, brain development and also logical reasoning and also problem solving. So this activity main focusing this type of things. Right.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Mirracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special Edu Healthcare unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.